Today we are discussing the physical chemistry topic, that is structure of atom. It is also called as atomic structure. In this topic we are discussing the structure of the total atom, how the atom is invented, how the atom is generated, what are the subparticles present in the atom. This type of complete discussion present in this atomic structure topic. In this one, first of all, we are discussing the small definition, that is matter. We all know what is the definition of matter. Matter is nothing but the substance which is having a mass and occupy space. The mass and occupy space is called as a matter. Matter may be a element or matter may be a substances. So matter may be a substance. In that substances there may be a pure substance or they may be in the presence of mixture form. So matter is either in a elemental form or it may be in a substantial form, either it may be pure or mixture form of substance. So if you go for the next element, in this topic, element is nothing but the smallest particle is called as a element, which is having an individual existence. The element which is having the compound which is having an individual existence is called as element, like H2 hydrogen element, chlorine element, fluorine element, like molecules like that, hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, these like types all are called as elements. Then we can discuss about the substances. In these substances there may be two types of substance. Purest elements are also come under the purest substances. In this we are also discussing mixtures. There are two types of mixtures are there. They may be homogeneous mixtures or it may be heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures means if the elements are formed by similar element, compound is formed by substance is formed by similar elements are called as a homogeneous, and different elements is called as a heterogeneous substance. For example, if you are taking fluorine, F2 molecule, F2 homogeneous compound, fluorine and fluorine both are present in a homogeneous form. It is formed by homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous, if you are taking HCl, hydrogen and Cl both are different elements. If they are combined form, they are called as substances, heterogeneous substances. Then we can go for the definition of atom. According to the definition of atom, the atom is nothing but a smallest indivisible part. Smallest indivisible part is called as a substance, atom. In this atom, the smallest indivisible means it cannot be furtherly divided. The smallest particle. This discussion of atom, this is the main intention of the chapter, that is structure of atom. Thus atom, for explaining the structure of atom, one law, that is Dalton's law, is invented. That is Dalton's law is proposed. That is, according to the Dalton, he said that the substance present in a compound on a total environment or which versus earth on any substance is a combined form of atoms only, smallest particles only. That means if any molecule compound present on any weather, that is in any environment, it is formed by a single smallest particle. Whichever it is the substance, that substance is formed only by smallest particles. Means if you divide any substance, if you divide in a small particles, you get only a smallest indivisible particle. Again, that indivisible particle is called an atom. इससे हमको atom मिलता है. So in this atom, the atoms either it may be combined with similar elements or it may be combined with different elements. Whichever it is the element, depending upon the composition, they can be differentiated. Second point is depending upon the composition, they may be similar or they may be different. That is, if the composition is similar, fluorine, carbon react with oxygen in a form of CO, and oxygen, nitrogen also form in the form of oxygen. Here the ratio is similar, so 1:1 and 1:1. The composition, depending upon the composition, they are differentiated. One substance is differentiated with other with composition. For example, CH4, methane, if carbon connected with 4 atom, it is called as a methane. If the carbon is connected with 2 carbons are connected with H6, is called as ethane. Difference is here is a 1:4 ratio, here is a 2:3 ratio. Depending upon the ratios, different elements are formed. Like this is that is every substance, one individual substance is differentiated with other by only its composition. Next, third experiment, that point is different depending upon the different compositions. We are saying it as a multiple proportions. Here it is called as similar proportion and it is called as multiple proportion. Every element have the property to combine with other element in different ratios also, different proportions also. Like carbon and oxygen, both are formed in a CO form, or also combined form like a CO2 also it may be formed. That here is a 1:1, here is 1:2. Like this, carbon may be formed in a 1:1 ratio or 2:2 ratio. If like this is called as a multiple proportion. Depending upon the multiple proportions or similar proportions, it may be formed. That means Dalton's law also explained the about the properties, that is atoms will be combined in a similar form or it may be a different compositions. So law of multiplication, law of multiple proportions, law of similar proportion, law of definite proportions are all explained by the Dalton's theory of atomic. In this also, it is also explained the atoms neither be created or not be destroyed. Neither be created or nor be destroyed. It is also explained by Dalton's law.